Hi, in this video, we will be solving the equation Ex equals c through Gaussian elimination. Now, we'll go through the process of Gaussian elimination for this problem, but if you want a more in-depth explanation of Gaussian elimination itself, please refer to that video. So let's set up Ex equals c by augmenting the matrix E with the vector c. First, we'll divide equation 1 by 2, put that in place of equation 1. And equations 2 and 3 will remain the same. And this next step will manipulate two equations at a time. For equation 2, we'll just subtract equation 1, and we will also subtract 3 times equation 1 from equation 3. That will give us 0, -1, -1, -1, and a row of all zeros here.
We'll just multiply equation 2 by -1.
And finally, we will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Now we have our reduced row echelon form of this equation right here. And it's time to answer the questions. How many leading variables are there and how many free variables are there? So let's refresh on what a leading variable is. A leading variable is represented in the reduced row echelon form by the columns in which there is a 1 with only zeros to the left. So what does that mean? This column represents x1, this column represents x2, and this column represents x3. Because the x1 column has a 1 here with nothing to the left, this is a leading variable. The same thing goes for x2, because this one has a 1 with only zeros to the left of it. Now, the column for x3 is a little different because this one has a 1 to the left of it, as does this one. And this bottom row has no 1s in it. So this is not a leading variable, meaning that it's a free variable. So now we know that there are two leading variables, x1 and x2, and one free variable, which is x3.